there's a lot of places that quantum computing could be useful in making the world a better place. Indeed, Terra Quantum CEO met with the Pope in the Vatican, met with Pope Francis to discuss how AI and quantum computing can be harnessed to promote human well being, care for nature, and foster world peace in our increasingly tech driven world. So, how does Terra Quantum address its, and this is a quote from Terra Quantum themselves, Terra Quantum has a commitment to responsible innovation and the ethical implementation of quantum technology. How do you go about that practically at Terra Quantum?
It is just like that. So the name comes from that already. Terra is really caring about Earth, but then of course it goes beyond Earth. The idea, and I know, so especially when I say that out of the Silicon Valley, it sounds somehow flat. The idea to use technology for the good is deeply ingrained in Terra Quantum. And for the good can mean many things. So, one thing that we haven't talked about today is our medical device work, for example. So, we just are about to start clinical trials for laser treatments that we do to cure osteoarthritis and to cure arteriosclerosis. That is completely novel. So what we do here is we introduce a fiber optics channel. So when you have arthritis between joints, and then emit circular laser radiation, do some imaging, and optimize the laser parameters using a hybrid quantum algorithm, and then cure osteoarthritis that way. And the same thing can basically be done with arteries in and around your heart. So we can prevent stroke and heart attack. These are things that we would not have to do. So if we were only to focus on quantum computing, then and other security aspects of protecting against quantum computer, the company would still do fine. But our commitment is really to use our knowledge to develop these technologies that can help humanity. And that's why we do medical device work. We're not a medical device company, but we go through all of that, pay for the clinical trials ourselves, and then try to bring it to the market, to the people, to the hospitals. You know? And that's true for quantum computing too. So the applications, I think many of the applications cannot be classified as good or bad in some sense, because if you think of a logistics problem, yeah, of course it's good for the nature if you have less emissions. But then if there is a problem, for example, one that we did in classifications of fatty liver, of identifying steatosis cases, that was solved using a hybrid quantum algorithm too, and we outperformed the uh, benchmark. We didn't have a customer for that. We just said we do it and we show it's possible, and now it's out there and everyone free to use it. So anytime we can do something like that, we just do it, even if it sometimes means we don't earn money with it. But of course, we're a company, so we sell products too. So.